The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Union County, Illinois, Pulaski County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, Pope County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, north central Alexander County, Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 8:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Anna to near Dongola to near Thames, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Golconda, Belknap, Dixon Springs, Thames, Buncombe, Olive Branch, Pulaski, Dongola, Mill Creek, Jonesboro, Cypress, Vienna, New Grand Chain, New Burnside, Olin, Karnak, Eddyville, New Columbia, Simpson, and Anna. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 6 and 30. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 13 and 35. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, and Union. A severe